The negative effects of arrogance are by no means limited to a person's spiritual nature. It also does them physical harm. Concerns over such things as making a mistake, being subject to criticism or humiliation, losing prestige, earning the approval of others, or losing things of which one is proud, put them under extreme pressure. This is just the right condition for stress to arise. The restlessness and distress in their souls is reflected in various physical impairments. Their hair, for instance, becomes dull and slows its growth. Their skin thickens, becomes hard, and loses its elasticity. The effects of aging are more obvious. Sudden wrinkles may appear. Their mouths dry up. Their eyes lose their vitality and become dull. Their facial muscles contract, and their discomfort is plain to see. A general yellowing takes place in their skin. In addition, an arrogant person has impaired speech and fails to speak fluently or sincerely. Every sentence they utter can easily be seen to be irrational and dishonest. The intense stress that results from arrogance gradually shows its effects and eventually leads to serious health problems. Experts often state that stress leads to many illnesses. Thus, an arrogant person causes the most damage to himself. Believers, on the other hand, lead joyful and peaceful lives, since they put their trust in God and believe in the reality of destiny. Of course, natural signs of aging will appear on them as well, but not to the extent caused by the harmful effects of stress and the gloomy temperament of the arrogant. In this way, believers lead happy lives, both in this world and beyond.